Alright, so I'm going to do a few things in the Mac so you can gauge how it sounds. Let it run for a second. You can see if you can hear the fans, that sort of thing. I'm going to play some music, start playing a DVD, then I'll probably go switch to iMovie, start encoding the video, so I can get the hard drive on it. Alright, start now. I got iTunes open, so I'm just going to start playing a song. Alright. I just had the disc tray close. So the movie will start, you can hear the disc wind up and all that good stuff.
So for your family, they help the hospitality all around the world, right?
Yes, they are.
So they're actually really into parent children. Is it hard to get into the parent children?
Actually, it's a very exclusive hotel, no matter what you do.
Yeah. Well, I hear the parent children is very beautiful.
I'm glad that you heard that.
I actually hear this picture perfect. So can I take pictures of it?
Not anymore.
Can't do that anymore. Right? Do they allow double occupancy at the parent children?
No.
Sorry, my favorite skit, so I gotta watch a little of this.
Is the parent children roomy?
It might be for you, but most will find it very...
Alright, so I've got a current iMovie project up, and I will start exporting this using iMovie. It's an HD file, about 900 megabytes. I'm also going to load iPhoto, so it loads up all my photos. I guess the hard drive on it. I'm actually going to move it in closer so you can actually hear things a little better. I'm starting to edit a photo in iPhoto. Alright. Start playing the DVD again silently so you can hear the drive spinning. just quit iDVD or whatever the program is for watching movies, and it should be shutting off in a second. Just try opening a couple programs real quick so you can hear the hard drive a little bit more.